Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today is really a special day for me. It's not just a regular unboxing as I do regularly on my channel. You see, back when I was a kid, it's really been one of my early teenagers' dream to have, you know, a handheld gaming console system, like a Game Boy or PSP, etc. But I really couldn't have one. Um, so I decided to buy one as I have now adult money. I can buy whatever I really wanted as a kid. So I hope you can take a guess on which of the handheld gaming console system I have to do an unboxing. Okay? Ready? Okay, let's take this side for a second as I will do another quick shot unboxing or overviewing showcasing. Okay, guys, I hope you can guess what is the handheld system I have to do an unboxing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! The Switch Lite. Okay. I also bought. Can you take guess which Nintendo Switch gaming is this? Okay. Ta-da! The Mega Man Starforce Legacy Collection. As you can see, I hope you can see it over here. Okay, let's take this aside. Okay, so starting off, let's do the unboxing. Okay. So, the Nintendo log, as you can see here, the Switch Lite from the bag. Okay, I guess it's a Japan region, but it's not region locked. Okay. As you can see here, all Japanese languages. Okay. See, guys. This is the system itself, as you can see. It's pretty neat. Kind of reminds me of the Microsoft Windows Phone that has used to have these vibrant colors with glossy finished and as well as matte finished. Okay, some catalog of the Nintendo online membership. As I hope you can see it. showcasing the F-Zero 99, Tetris 99, along with Super Mario Brothers Wonder, Legend of Zelda, Super Smash Brothers, Animal Crossing, Pokemon, Pikmin, Splatoon, along with the Nintendo 64, Joy-Con controller. Here showcasing the cloud backup system. Okay. Okay, along with USB Type-C charging. Okay. Alright guys, let's drag this aside. Okay, let's start switching the switch on. Okay, I'll do a quick setup for the first time. Okay, you can see over here the system itself, Switch Lite. Trying the button, you can see here the X, A, B, Y, along with the analog stick. I hope you can see it. Okay. Alright guys, so here it is, the console itself. Let's switch it on. Okay, you can see here the power button. I hope it appears very well. I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. Okay. I'm seeing the brightness is really high. Alright, it was the brightness, my camera has it. I switch it on auto. Okay. As you can see, I choose the Americas. Clicking on the A button as a OK. By selecting the accept button, you agree to the end user license agreement. If you don't agree, stop using the system. Well, sure, I will agree. Okay, next. Okay. Enable to connect to the network. Okay, let me just check the Wi-Fi password. Alright guys, quick fix to the problem. Okay, as you can see here, it's a touch screen. Okay. Alright guys, as it's shown here, finally connected. Okay. Time zone. It's really important to, choose your original time zone, the real one. I live in the Middle East, particularly in Iraq. Let's see the time zone. A user will be added to the console. Important data like save data is linked to each specific user on the console. Next. Select how you want to add a user. Create new user. Well, it's my first time ever that I use a Nintendo Switch account, so I will create a new user. Select an icon. Okay. Okay. Metroid, Zelda, Link, Mario, more option. Character me, background. Okay. I have just this, brightness. Okay. Now it's adjustable. Okay. I think I will choose, let me see. Let me see, I think I'll choose I'll go with, I think I'll go with Link. We can see it here. Okay, enter a nickname for this user. Well, obviously, I will choose yeah. I would, I would type John as my other name, but it's fine. My original name is Yahya. Okay. Okay, this user will be added to the console. Okay. Link a Nintendo account. You can now later, because I don't have a, obviously I don't have a other or previous Nintendo Switch or any other Nintendo system account, so add a user. Additional users can be added if the console is to be used by more than one person. Skip. About Nintendo Switch Online. Next. Configure parental skip. Setup complete. Okay. Press the home button to open the home menu. Okay, where is the home button? It's located over here, exactly. As you can see, the home or the house icon. Clicking on it. Okay. Nintendo Switch Online. Nintendo eShop. Okay. Please link your Nintendo account. With a linked account, you can access online play friend features. So obviously we should start to, start using Nintendo account. Okay. Uh, System update is required before you can proceed. Okay. Update. System update is available. Okay. Please wait. Updating. Update complete. The system will be, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, the system has already been updated. As you can see here, the Nintendo eShop widget. Okay, Nintendo eShop games start. Press the same button 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Nintendo Switch Online News, Nintendo eShop. Link a Nintendo account. Sign in with the QR, create new account. I will create a new account. Send account creation instructions via email, sign in. Okay. Enter your email address. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll do it again as I failed at the first time. Okay. Creating a new account. Okay. Send account. Enter your. Okay. Okay. Let me just pause the video. Alright guys, I have just received a confirmation code via, phone. I don't know really why Nintendo make this kinda complicated, but I guess it's for a security. Okay, let's enter it. 82529. Okay. This user and Nintendo account will be linked Note, once this is done, you will not be able to change your linked account. Okay. Enter address or sign in ID. Um, okay. Another confirmational code. Um, Alright, guys. Another confirmational code. Okay. Verify. Please wait. I guess at last I finished. So, your Nintendo account was successfully linked. You can now enjoy the following features: friend features, news about games and deals, Nintendo eShop, posting screenshots to social media, online presence, play activity, and news setting. Okay, later on, Nintendo eShop. I hope it has appeared here very well. Use verification is required to open the Nintendo eShop. Enter your PIN or the sign-in information for your Nintendo account. Another signing in. Okay. Alright, finally. The Nintendo eShop store. Alright, guys. I think I will, search for some, free demos or free to play games like, Asphalt, Asphalt Legend, Asphalt. Search. Let me check and, examine the search feature. Okay, Asphalt Legends. Asphalt Legends Nintendo Switch 2 edition. Okay, free download. There was a problem, the page couldn't display. Why is so? To play, insert a game. Okay. Let me search for the Pokemon. Let's go Pikachu. Pokemon. Let's go Pikachu. Okay, search. Alright. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu has a free demo. Hopefully. download the demo. The demo is being downloaded. To check the download stats, open the home menu, depending on the server. Okay. The main page. Let me search for Asphalt Legend. Asphalt. I really kinda enjoy playing this game. Um, I played it at first on my, I remember Realme phone was a Realme C55. Okay, confirm. So you can see here, free download. This may take a moment. Okay, continue shopping. Continue shopping. As Fit Legend, to check the download status, open the home menu. Okay. Home menu. Okay. Close the eShop. Oh, cool. All right. So, so this is the, the system itself. Okay. I turned it off. Okay. Now I wanna really to showcase one of really special video game for me. I bought it via Amazon. Let's see and check it. Alright guys, I want you to take a guess on what the type of video game is this. But as I can see, it really appears very well. I mean, it appears very well. Okay. I'm so excited. Ta-da! The Mega Man Starforce Legacy Collection. As you can see over here, the front and the back. Okay. So Capcom did really very great job porting this Nintendo 3DS system to the Nintendo Switch system, featuring all the 7 Mega Man Starforce that was released back on the Nintendo DS. Starting from the three franchises, I guess, or the three games.